Hi, my name is Naomi and I'm gonna crop some t-shirts. I bought I think three shirts, like just old t-shirts that I really wanted to have some fun with. And this was my first one that I cropped already, but I'm gonna do something to the sleeves. And it just says, when it comes to motorcycles, moderation is overrated. And so I cropped it and I'm gonna fix that, because that looks ugly. Can you see that? Just, ooh. Gonna fix that, but I have a few others. So this is the first one. It's got designs on the back and the front, and I legitimately just watched a little Australian girl tell me how to do this. So she said I should put it on, but I don't really want to wear it. Essentially what had happened was I purchased these clothing items from Poshmark, and the person that sold them to me lived in a cigarette infested household, and it took washing all of these clothes 2 times with baking soda in order to get the nasty smell out, because it literally smelled like just the most disgusting old rancid cigarettes. And I don't smoke, so I don't really want to smell like that. And I didn't want to put on this shirt until I knew that it was completely out. And now it just smells like dried glue. So, killing it. Which is great. We love that. Oh, my hair actually, okay. I love how grainy this footage is too, because it's pretty telling of who I am. So, I have this shirt. I'm gonna lay it down on a flat surface as she suggested. And I'm gonna cut underneath the logo because I want the full logo to just be there. I'm just gonna take scissors to it and hack away. She was like, if you fold it, then it'll be perfectly symmetrical on both sides. And I wish I had watched that video before I cropped the first one. But we are figuring this out. Okay. Blink. Through something else. Cool. The second shirt is a Daytona 500 NASCAR shirt. And it has February 20th, 2000 on it. It's kind of like this gross gray color. But I'm not sure that I want to crop it, because like the coolest part of the design I think is like this bottom car, but I'm also like, I don't really want like a hemmed t-shirt, especially when it's a large. I bought all of these in larges or mediums. Yeah, this one's a large, this one's a medium, this is a men's large, like, or unisex large. I don't really know the difference. But like, I don't know. Let's see how big this is. So if I were to, I'm not gonna take off my top, but if I were to put this on and sit up on my knees so that you can see the bottom of it. So it really goes like down to like the beginning of my thighs. And so if I were to like crop out this bubble, that would expose my belly button, which I'm not really here for right now. So I think I'm gonna crop it right at the bleacher line. Which bleacher line? Okay, so this bottom one. Yeah, so this bottom bleacher line. So we're gonna, don't look at my body right now. Okay, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna fold it. Make sure that it is completely in half. And then we're just, still intact on the back, which is kind of dope and exactly what I wanted. I didn't want to lose the car, and I didn't want to lose that bubble design. And now we're gonna glue the sleeves so that they're rolled. Okay, so for this part, I have, it's called Liquid Stitch. And it takes 30 minutes to dry, but you're supposed to wait 24 hours before you put it in a washing machine, which is like perfect. So what I figured out is if you put too much, it can make it look really ugly and goopy, like long term. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna fold it before I put any glue on it, just to see how many times I'm gonna want it to be folded. With bigger sleeves, you wanna fold it at least like 3 times, but with smaller sleeves, 2 times is perfect. So then it kind of just looks like this, which is really trendy right now. And it also makes your arms look more flattering. What I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna glue that first fold. Sorry, I'm like covering it with my fingers. I'm not gonna glue that first fold, but I'm gonna glue the second fold, which will also give us a little bit more room for failure. So I'm just gonna put like a really light coating, but all the way down. And then I'm going to press it like so. And I'm gonna do it the exact same thing on the other side. And then I'm gonna press that and I'm gonna hold it. And you don't have to like put any weight on it or anything. Like you just gotta give it the time to dry. And so while that is working, I'm gonna do the other sleeve. And I'm already running out of this, which shows how often I do this. Okay, and then and we'll go through that. And you want to make sure that you get the innermost part of it while is one of the shirts. And this is other one. Alrighty. Watching back all of the footage and editing it has, I don't know. Should I do more of this? Who knows? I clean my room like every week, and I like watching people clean their rooms, so maybe I'll give like a full house cleaning, but thanks for watching. I don't know. That's all I got. Okay, bye.